XPeng are another one of those Chinese electric vehicle stocks, and there's many of them going global at the moment. Whether XPeng succeeds or not, time will tell, but that got me wanting to dig into the technical analysis a bit and just see what's been going on with the price action and where it could possibly be going next. So in today's chart of the day, I'm going to dig more into XPeng. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. So XPeng are relatively new to the outside world, that's outside of China, only really going live on the US stock markets in August time of 2020. They had a good start, going up to highs around $65, and since then it's been a bit more negative, neutral over the last year or so, until recently that is. And we've started to see a pickup in the price once more, and that $47 around that 61.8% Fibonacci line seems to be quite interesting, where there was some old historic noise. So if it can hold above here, then 54, 55 isn't out of the question. Then it's going to try and get back up to those highs around $65. If it fails here, then 50% line at $41, then 38.2% at $35, probably the next areas of support for the price. And if again it fails there, then it's down to that other noisier area around the late 20s to $30. But it looks like it's improving slightly, but in the longer term it looks a bit flat. So onto the daily high Kinashi, in the short term it looks like it's an improving picture. We've got our signals, those two bottom lines there, both bullish. Volatility picking up a little bit, which is always encouraging, and volume certainly broken out just yesterday above its longer term moving average. And if we head up onto the price, we can see our two pink box lines there, and we've just yesterday received a buy signal as it closed out above them. And in terms of how the price behaved in the longer term, well, actually it's been quite normal in those two standard deviation regression bands, the pink and the blue set up there, trading in, bouncing from the top to the bottom and so forth. And really, I suppose from July time, heading around the mean for a lot of that. But I say in the short term, it's possibly breaking up out, and then it must be thinking about going towards those highs again. So for the Renko chart, I've used a 70 cents block size, and if we head to the signals, both are bullish down there at the bottom. And then onto the price action, it was a couple of weeks ago we actually had a buy signal as it broke outside the pink box setup lines there. Price trading above the moving average, the longer term one that is. In terms of Fibonacci, I haven't gone for the trend this time. I've gone for the highs and lows in the setup to give me some numbers. Upsides keeps going, then 56 and 65 could be upside targets. Downside, if it fails from here, probably a lot of support, as you can see, around that $43, $44. Breaks there down to about $40, $39, and again breaks outside there, it's 36 first, then 31. But at the moment, in the short term, looking more positive. Now remember, I ignore the fundamentals when I make this analysis, and based just off of the technical analysis, and especially focusing more on the shorter term, then I'm going to go for a more bullish overall opinion. Heiken Ashi Renko both looking strong. If we focus in on the targets, pretty good to the upside, 1.16, 2.5 to 1, and to the downside 1.15 and 1.92 to 1. But overall, it has the feeling of being a bit more bullish at the moment and looking to push towards those previous highs. So XPeng bullish overall at the moment. Whether that continues, time will tell. It's an interesting market, the EV stock sector at the moment. A lot of players, and there's going to be a lot of casualties probably in the near to medium term. Whether XPeng is one of them, I say time will tell. Be fascinated and interested to hear your comments on where you think XPeng is going next and whether you agree or disagree with the analysis in today's video. Like I said, I'd love to hear from you in those comments. And if you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. And if you want to learn more about the technical analysis I've done in today's video, then I'll put a link in the description that you can follow and learn more from. So all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.